This week we are going to cover the history and types of databases and walk through the required software installation for the course. As I mentioned in the intro video, SQL hasn't been around forever. Like anything else in computing, it has evolved. In order to truly understand SQL as it exists today, we need to take a look at other types of databases and understand what came before it. Once we have gone over our brief history of databases, you will need to download the software for data analysis. It's going to be time-consuming, mostly due to some common password and registration problems. Be sure to watch all the videos before you start. Doing it blindly without the advantage of the videos will cause major headaches. And beware, you only have one free download. The course requires some assignments to be done in teams. I know it takes more time to work in teams, but it helps you in the long run because team members are your best resource to get help with coding issues. If you establish a good working relationship now, while the material is relatively simple, it will pay off in later weeks when things get much trickier.